streets, you know some guys.
I'm super excited. Everybody has really good summer showed up ready to practice from day one, so it's exciting.
So how hard have you worked this summer?
Same as every summer. With me, my summer routines has been the same since 9 years ago, so it's a little different this year. I had Igor with me from the team for around 30 days.
So did you set any goal for you in this season?
Same thing I said all last year. Every day I practice, get a little bit better. Focus on each practice, focus on each game coming up. June and July, we'll see where we are.
So was it strange to see so many new faces because so many guys left this summer?
Definitely. Number one, it's strange for me to still be here. This is the first time in my career I've been here for 2 years. Number one, that's strange. Number two, for sure. First time coming here. This year.
Kodi, we heard you had a bigger role over the summer than usual, talking with some of the players. How did you see that, and how do you see your role?
I didn't really think about it like that. It's normal. Somebody's from my city. Who's better to talk to them, me or somebody else? Just to give my opinion, my thing, my thoughts about the situation, and then obviously with Chimney, is one of my closest friends, so it's very easy for me to just reach out, tell them the truth about everything, tell them what I love, what I don't like, and give them an honest opinion and decide. So it was nice.
Some of the most experienced guys leaving the club, like Captain Brankovic, do you feel like maybe more responsibility is now one of the leaders maybe of this team being your second year?
I feel like I had a lot of responsibility last year. If I played great, it was good. If I played bad, it was also terrible. So I think the responsibility is pretty much the same. Just focus on showing up every day and giving my best.